Lumion 2025 is its most advanced release yet, delivering significant improvements in rendering quality, workflow efficiency, and real-time collaboration. Whether you're developing concept visuals or preparing final presentations, Lumion 2025 enhances every stage of the visualization process. Top 6 highlights of Lumion 2025. 1. AI-powered image upscaling. Lumion 2025 introduces AI-enhanced upscaling that allows users to generate crystal-clear renders at resolutions up to 8K. This feature intelligently sharpens and enhances images, while cutting rendering time by up to 5 times, making it ideal for large presentations and print-ready deliverables. Second Scene Inspector and Performance Control Center. Managing large scenes is now faster and more intuitive. The new Scene Inspector enables users to organize and locate assets quickly, while the Performance Control Center provides real-time feedback and optimization tools to maintain smooth workflows and high responsiveness, even in complex projects. 3. Advanced ray-traced effects. The expanded ray tracing engine now supports realistic water rendering, volumetric fog, and advanced lighting effects. These additions bring increased depth and photorealism to both indoor and outdoor environments, significantly enhancing visual impact. Fourth, expanded asset library. Lumion 2025 adds a wealth of new content to its library. Over 100 new vegetation models, 45 animated 3D human characters, 26 new high-fidelity materials, 100+ new decals and visual detail assets. These resources help users create highly immersive and contextually rich environments. 5. Lumion View for SketchUp users. Now integrated directly within SketchUp, Lumion View offers real-time visualization with ray tracing, allowing users to see and adjust lighting, materials, and composition without leaving their modeling software. This seamless experience is ideal for iterative design workflows and faster feedback cycles. 6. Enhanced compatibility and integration. Lumion 2025 maintains strong compatibility with major CAD and BIM software, including SketchUp, Revit, Rhino, ArchiCAD, and AutoCAD. With live sync and improved import support, users can work across platforms effortlessly, keeping their models and visualizations in sync. Conclusion: Lumion 2025 redefines what's possible in architectural visualization with a powerful combination of speed, quality, and user control. From AI-assisted rendering to real-time plugin integration, every feature is designed to help professionals produce stunning visual content with less effort and greater flexibility. Whether you're an architect, interior designer, or landscape artist, Lumion 2025 offers the tools you need to bring ideas to life faster and more beautifully than ever before.